Why are you silent? Hello? Are you even here?
Leave him alone. He looks like he needs to sleep.
What can I say? Should I introduce Forex trading right now?
You seem to be making some good points, so I can chime in. So what do you want? To win or not to lose?
Not to lose.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
How is it possible to win?
Now here's what I really think about all of this stuff. The truth is that life has one small but vital element.
Can I take over from here?
Grow up. They get a bit bigger, a bit freer, a bit more educated than their fathers, understand?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatsoever part of the world you are currently from. I would like to use this opportunity to introduce Forex trading into my YouTube channel. So first of all, what do you need to know about Forex trading is what it stands for. So Forex stands for foreign exchange. That's just a brief abbreviation. Okay, Forex stands for foreign exchange and it's usually abbreviated as FS. So that's just it about Forex. That's just it. There's no long explanation or long note about it. So Forex just stands for foreign exchange and is usually abbreviated as FX. So my table of contents, everything I'm going to be explaining here today, I've talked about what Forex stands for. So next I'll be talking about the base and the quote currency. Then I'll talk about Forex broker. Then I'll head on to how to control, manage and expect losses. Then finally I'll talk about setting a proper timetable for Forex. Okay, please, I need you to give time for Forex. Okay, sorry, I will need you to give time to watch this video and go through everything that I have been explaining on my previous videos. So now the base and the quotes. Currencies are instruments which, please, I need you to focus on what this teaching, what I'm going to explain right now. Currencies are the instruments with which transactions are conducted. Every nation in the world has its own currency particular to it. Example of currency base and quote currency pairs include: 1. We have the OXAU USD. We have the OXAU USD is gold. Then 2, we have the OXAG USD, which is silver. Then 3, we have BTC USD. 4, we have Euro USD. 5, we have the AUD JPY. 6, we have ETH USD. 7, we got GBP USD. 8, we got USD JPY. 9, we got Euro GPP, and so on and so forth. That is just it about quote and base. So for the quote and base, for you to recognize what quote and base is, like I'll use OXAU USD, which is good, as for example. The quote and the base in OXAU USD, quote is OXAU. That's the first letter that come before the slash, before the last letters, which is OXAU is our quote and our base is USD. OXAU USD quote and base. To start trading Forex, every trader need a broker, which should be logged into your MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, or any other trading platform that you use for trading. Or you can even use get a broker and use it on trading view app directly. instead of MT5 or MT4. But to just make this simple, every trader, to start trading forex, every trader needs a broker. You have to create a broker using your ID card, your passports, and some other details that they will ask you to create an account. Personally, I use NS Broker. NS Broker is one of the best broker that I've used, because they are fast in depositing your funds into your trading account, and they are fast when you make withdrawal. It's very fast to receive your money. Just within 5 minutes to 15 minutes, you have gotten your funds into your withdrawal method. So every trader need a broker to start trading forex. A broker, you can use NS Broker, you can use Derived Broker. There are other broker out there, a lot of broker out there. So you can either use NS Broker is the best. Use NS Broker. NS Broker is the broker that I use. So once you have created an account, you can then create your trading account inside your your personal trading accounts that you deposit into inside your NS login. Then you log in your account using the login code. You choose the server and your password that you use to open the account. So once you log into your MT5, once you log into your trading account using your broker, then you can proceed to your trading. For some people that don't want to, like, some people that are finding it difficult in trading, if you're finding it difficult right now, listen, if you're finding it difficult in trading and you make losses, please click on the link on my profile. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notification, because I'll be dropping a lot of video for everyone learning. I know that some advanced trader will think that there's nothing that they can learn from me, but that's very wrong. In forex, there's nothing like you are the best. Forex is always 1% better every day, so the learning process never stop. And there are things that I can learn from a trader, a random trader as well. And there are a lot of things that I would like to show you guys. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then if you're finding it difficult and you're making losses, and you will need a legit person that will give you free signal that you can use to be profiting, making just any small money while you are still on your learning process, just click on the link on my profile. On my I have a WhatsApp channel which I drop little movements, like little movement for profit. I just drop TP and SL every day so that they can be profiting on WhatsApp. And you can decide to choose my Discord channel. My Discord channel, I drop just strictly swing trade. If you're a swing trader now, this is mostly for the advanced trader. So the advanced trader, you can click on my Discord channel. I mostly drop swing trades on my Discord channel. Swing trade, imagine what a swing trade is. A swing trade, it lasts for up to 3 to 1 month to 2 months for the profits. Then on my WhatsApp channel is just a daily profit team. Okay, so click on the link on my profile, and then if you want to learn, if you want I drop a lot of things about forex trading that I learned. So if you are looking for a way or the best place to learn forex, you can just click on my Telegram channel or my Discord channel. There's also a place there on my Discord channel where you can see all my everything that I put there that you can learn from. Or if you think it's too hard, you can just search on the internet for other schools that teaches. This is like I don't think I'll have a school personally that I'll be teaching forex, but there are schools that you can just go for physical classes, like Fire Pips Academy. There's Wing Academy. There's a lot of physical classes, but this is just internet class. So, and trust me, this may teaching, by the time you are done with everything that I have been teaching, from the starting to the ending, from my Telegram channel, then you go to my Discord channel, then you see me profiting with me on my WhatsApp channel and my Discord channel. Trust me, by the time you are out of my Discord channel, you'll be a big trader. You'll be a very big advanced trader. So have put up everything already on my channel so that you can learn from. Okay, so that's it for Forex Broker. Now, how to control, manage, and expect loss. I'll go to my Discord channel right now. Okay, how to control, manage, and expect losses. First of all, money management. This money management, and you can never stop learning how to manage money. Like, money is just, I don't even know what to call it. Money. You can never stop learning money management. But if you are able to learn money management, I would like to learn from you, because handling money is not easy. You can make thousands of dollars today, tomorrow, if you don't apply proper management, proper risk management, you will lose everything. Money management is very hard to learn. So, okay, how to control, manage, and expect losses. One, money management. So the first one on money management is not be carried away by the losses other people are using. What you should be concerned is proper money management. So which means everything. What that means is, don't risk too much for no reason. Don't even think of someone else trading journey. Focus on your own. Everybody has their own mindsets. Okay, so you cannot add your own mindset to someone else's mindset. It's only just you. Anything you learn is just for you, and it will stick with you forever. Like Forex can't leave your mind. So don't be carried away by the losses other people are using. Focus on your own. A time will reach that you will get to the point that those people that you are looking at, like the people loss size, like somebody can be using 100 loss size already to trade Forex, and you're looking at that. Okay, you just funds $500,000 in your account, and because somebody's using 100 loss size, you decide to use 100 loss size, and you don't have the proper skills to start trading. You can blow your $500,000 within hours. So focus on your learning. Focus on your lot size. What you can afford to lose. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't risk too much for no reason. Remember, we are in competition with nobody. Then again, do not risk more than you can afford to lose. I've said this. That is, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Then, emotional management. Oh God, emotional management. For me personally, this emotional management is like Is it possible for someone to control his emotion? If it's possible, then means I'm still learning this emotional management. It's very hard to control your emotion. So under emotional management, under emotional management, first of all, and I've said that it's hard to control your emotion, most especially when you are making losses. Imagine you made losses all through today, you make losses all through the next day. Then if you make profit, your profit will be you're making about $500 of profit. Then you are losing $5,000. You are losing $10,000 every day. So you start seeing like this, your mindset to start going to I wish I have said I sold from this point instead of buy. I wish I have bought from this place instead of selling. So emotional management is a very big deal in forex trading. But once you start getting those mindsets that I wish I have sold from here, that's still your journey. Okay, focus on your own journey. Like I said, that's still your journey. Once you start getting those mindsets, you will know that when you see those opportunities next time, you will sell from that point or you buy from that. Eventually, you start getting it out of all of a sudden. You start getting it. So under emotional management, there's a 76% probability that no human on earth can totally control his or her emotion, mostly when they get pissed heavily. Okay, so anything that you are facing, I'll advise that you should leave it aside of forex. Once you start trading forex is just another mindset. You have to pick up on where you stopped so that you can unlock a new high, because every day you are 1% better than the previous day. Then secondly, under our emotional management, if you do not know how to master the art of letting go as a forex trader, you might find out that you are just stuck at the same level that you were yesterday. Like I said, you are 1% better every day, which means every day you are supposed to be unlocking new high every day. Imagine finding out that instead of you are improving like for throughout 1 week. This is most times this is when you want to cross into a swing trader. Most times throughout that week, you will just feel that you are just stuck at the same at the end, like you don't know what to do. So you might start losing it. So under emotional management, that is, if you cannot master the art of letting go as a forex trader, what you lost yesterday is gone. The next day is a new beginning. But in forex trading, it's just there's no beginning. It's just going upward. For like stock is just going upward. But for you that is learning right now, you that is learning forex trading, note that yesterday is gone, but today is a new day, is a new beginning. So you have to master the art of letting go. Don't just say that forex took my money yesterday, I'll stop. That's just, it's just, it's not even anything. You get back with forex eventually. There's a time you will get to a point that you will start asking yourself, why did you even leave in the first place? Just because of how much it took from you. When you start seeing other people that are floating money, then you start asking yourself, why did you you can never stop learning forex. Forex is like a never ending thing. Every day, especially once you get to a swing trader's perspective, every day you can just start learning different patterns, chart pattern. There's a lot especially if you can look at your trading view, there's a lot of pattern. There's a lot of pattern. You will learn new strategy every day. New strategy. The strategy, like for me, the strategy that I use today, sometimes I change it. I would add, is either I add something to my strategy, I find something to add, or I'm removing that strategy to go back to my previous strategy. That's if I find that strategy is not the best one, I'll just go back to the previous one. Then if I find out that the new strategy that I unlocked is a good strategy, then I'll try to focus on that strategy so that I can be good at that one. And in the process of getting good at that strategy, you can find out a new strategy again. So that's why I say Forex is a never-ending thing. Every day you're unlocking new high. So even as it is said that in Forex the learning process, okay, if you cannot master the art of letting go as a Forex trader, you might find out that you are stuck at the same level you were yesterday. Even as it is said that in Forex the learning process never ends, you will always be 1% better every day. So I'm still on how to control, manage, and expect losses now. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Then setting. Okay, let me see. I'm done with that. I'm done with how to control, manage, and expect losses. I use money management and emotional management as example of how to control, manage, and expect losses. Then I'm going to set a proper timetable for Forex. This is okay. Note this: of setting a proper timetable for Forex. I'm going to be posting that video next. Then I'll also add the video of how to set a timetable that you can use while you are learning Forex. So now I'm at setting proper timetable as a Forex. But before I go into that video, I would like to share a Forex strategy which I used. Get this, once you start Forex trading, you can trade Forex. Okay, you have already started getting, like, you're already good in Forex already, like you have started making profit on your own without anybody's help, but you don't know how to cross from that point to a swing trade. Once you get to a swing trader, that is the beginning of Forex. I'm sorry to say this. That is how I feel. Okay, you can feel anyhow you want to feel, but I feel that once you master master Forex learning and you start trading on your own, you need to cross into a swing trader. And crossing to a swing trader, this is where a lot of trader gets it wrong. And before you master the art of before you can get a proper strategy that you use to cross into a swing trader, you might just, that's where I said you might just say you are stuck at one point. Like, you'll be thinking, yesterday this strategy that I used, it did not work. This strategy I used did not work. Some traders use this strategy to cross. Let me just make it easy for anyone who listen to this video and that is thinking that want to cross into a swing trader. If you want to cross into a swing trader now, on your chart, and if you analyze your charts, sometimes I usually start from 1 minute time frame. Once I analyze 1 minute, I go into 5 minutes. Once I go to 5 minutes, I go into 13 minutes. They are going to 1 hour. They are going to 4 hours before I go to 1 day. Then from that 1 day, I start again. That's if you want to cross now. From that 1 day, do the same thing. Make sure that then you wait. You don't think of how long it will take. The analysis that you make up to the one day, you see make the analysis back to the 5 minutes. So once you make the analysis back to the 1 minute again, once you make your analysis back to 1 minute again, just wait, no matter how long it will take, to see if your analysis is wrong. If it's not wrong, you can decide to start analyze again. That is one way to cross into a swing trader. But for me, this is just the best strategy that I use. So first of all, in my strategy, if you want to learn my strategy now, this is my strategy. I did not learn this from anybody. This is my strategy. After I've tried and failed to be a swing trader before I got this strategy, and the day is correct, the numbers correct. So this is my strategy. Okay. So first thing you need to notice that 6 days make 1 week. 6 days, we have 7 days in a week, but in forex trading, 6 days make 1 week, which is on Monday to Saturday. On Monday to Saturday is a week. Then that on Sunday, which is the last day, that is the 1 day. That 1 day is just for resting. You just use that 1 day for resting and waiting till 11:40 when all the markets are going to open back. So so that's on Sunday. You can say that on Sunday is on Monday is Monday. You can just call on Sunday 11:40 early in the, before midnight. 11:40. You just say that 11:40 is a stroke Monday. Is just Monday. Then on Saturday, anytime you decide to stop trading, the only markets that open on Saturday is BTC USD and ETH USD. So anytime you decide to just stop trading, stop analyzing on Saturday, is the ending of that day. Any time you decide to stop, even if it's on Sunday, that on Saturday, if you analyze on Saturday, you can receive your profit on Sunday. BTC USD and ETH USD never close. The market is always on. So note that 6 days make 1 week. It is important to know that a swing trader holds their analysis for weeks or months. I have a swing trade that I placed since over a month ago, I think. Till right now, I'm still in profit because I know that my analysis is mostly correct, is mostly accurate. So this is my strategy now. Since you note that 6 days make 1 week now, so for a day trader on Saturday till on Sunday is for placing just like this. Place then on Saturday early in the morning. Once you wake up on Saturday, you can do anything, your house chores, do whatever you want to do. Then once you get into Forex that Saturday, BTC USD or ETH USD is the only market that will be running at that time. So just place each swing trade, just place it anyhow. Place a swing trade anyhow for BTC USD or ETH USD, and you leave that trade till the next Saturday or Sunday to see if your analysis is correct. They lock it. Just be doing it like that on Saturday and Sunday to the next Saturday and Sunday. Once you lock it, place another one again for the next Saturday and Sunday. Cut it. Before you know, you find out that you are already a swing trader already. Before you know, that's 1 week. You just zoom into 2 weeks. Before you know, you zoom into 1 month. Before you know, I don't know where you get to that. Then a swing trader. Then under swing trader, what I talked about just now is a day trader. Then under a swing trader, that we have 25% scalper. Under a swing trader now, we have 25. I've mentioned before that once you become a swing trader, that's the beginning of forex trading. So don't think the forex learning while you are learning forex, or those are you're already a trader. To me, once you become a swing trader, like for example, you start by placing BTC USD or ETH USD on Saturday to the next Saturday, take your profit, analyze another one for the next Saturday. That is the beginning of forex trading to me. That is the beginning of being a forex trader. Then under the swing trader, we have a 25% scalper. That 25% scalper now is on, like, the market open, like forex market open by 11:40, sometimes let's just say 12 o'clock midnight, early in the morning for on Monday. That's on Monday. The once is midnight, that is the early morning on Monday now. That 25% scalper I'm trying to explain. So once the market open that Monday midnight, on Monday midnight now, it is that means all the markets, both Australia USD, Australia USD, all the markets are opening the same time at that time. So under a swing trader now, the 25% scalper, I'm still talking about the strategy that I used to cross into a swing trader. I've talked about the day trader already. That is on Saturday and Sunday to Saturday and Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, and Sunday. Then under a swing trader, that Saturday and Sunday, you can just do Saturday and Sunday. But on Monday to Friday, there's still there. So you, instead of saying you are doing nothing, you can continue this process. This is how it will be fasting for you. Before you know, if you learn everything between Monday to Friday, after you learn everything Monday to Friday, on Saturday and the next Saturday and Sunday, you just make an analysis. You see that you're already getting better. So under the swing trader now is the 25. We have the 25% scalper, which is on Monday once the market open. Then on Tuesday morning is for analyzing gold. Gold is equal to -0 -0.01 plus 99, which is single one. This means single one. Gold means single one for analyzing gold for on Friday. So if you place your analysis on Monday, that is for if you want to be a swing trader. After doing on Saturday and Sunday to Saturday and Sunday, then on Monday you can just place then on Monday you place another analysis again, which will last in the next Friday. So your money will just be moving that way. Then under a swing trader, we still have the 50% scalper after the 25% scalper that I just explained. 50% scalper, that is 4 weeks or within 3 months is for analyzing -0 -0.01, which is good for a yearly profit. You can just this means you can just decide to watch your trade, like you can watch the markets, everything that I did for about 4 weeks. You can use 4 weeks to analyze, but I don't think you take me up to that extent. I might use 2 days to just analyze a yearly that's a yearly time frame. So I can just use 2 days to analyze, till at the end of the year this is what will happen. As for a 50% scalper now, a 4 weeks or within 3 months is for analyzing gold for a yearly profit. So what you need to know about this 25% scalper is that Saturday and Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday is for analyzing. You are analyzing on Saturday and Sunday to leave it for the next Saturday and Sunday, right? Then on Monday and Tuesday is for analyzing. Another Saturday is for analyzing gold, which is, let's imagine on Saturday and Sunday you analyze Bitcoin for the next Saturday and Sunday. So that Saturday and Sunday is one. Then the next month, that is Saturday, Sunday. Then on Monday and Tuesday, you can just decide to analyze gold, which is on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday is for analyzing your charts for your profits, the days, for the weeks or months that you want. Like I said, I can use 2 days to analyze a year charts. Saturday and Sunday is for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday is for analyzing. Then that on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, you can just decide to see if you don't want to be scalping. If small money, you can decide to start working. Just work so that you can wind away your time, so that once that next on Friday reach, you see if your analysis is true, then you take your profit. Then the next Saturday, on Saturday, take your profit for BTC. This way, in no time, within just 2 months, if you can learn this strategy, you become a swing trader fast. So I'm not supposed to teach market structure. This is where I'm going to end that today. So I'll be posting a video next, which should be coming up now, about setting a proper timetable for forex trading if you want to learn